Hi, my name is Jefferson David Bobadilla Gomez. Company names and descriptions. Alicorp is a description. Alicorp is large Peruvian company in the mass consuming industry in Latin America, founded in 1956 in Baja Operation and owns and subs company later expanded to various sectors, including food, home care, and personal care products. The company is present in seven Latin American continents: Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Chile, Honduras, Argentina, and Colombia, and exports to various international markets, with more than 150 proprietary brands and four business lines. Mission: we transform marks to our audience brand, generating extraordinary experience for our consumers. We seek to constantly innovate, to generate value, and we by society, Alicorp mission improves the quality of the life of the families of its employees, clients, and consumers by providing solutions interested in quality and accessible products. Vision to be leaders in the markets in which we compete. Alicorp vision is to solidify its largest company in the mass consumption in food sector in Latin America by recognizing for the quality of its products, constant innovations, and commits to sustainability and the goals of the communities with its operates. Market research: A. Direct comparison. 1. Nestlé Peru. What is saying? Dairy products, beverage, cereals, baby food, chocolates, cookings. How it tastes? Tourist distribution in supermarkets, showrooms, stores, corner stores, and B2B. Charting. Where is the same national presence in Peru with distribution in malls and traditional chains? 2. Unilever, Ancina, Peru. What is on personal care products, soaps, shampoo, food mayonnaise, and cream, home clean products, home take sale to direct distribution, whereas supermarkets and convenience stores. What is a said national governance in Peru with strong presence in Lima and my cities? B. Indirect competitors. 1. Protect in combat Peru. What it says, personal care and home cleaning products for on premium segment. Ariel, Pantene, Gillette. How they sell selective distribution in supermarkets and parents focus modern challenge. What they say, my orange areas of Lima of my cities. 2. Medals International. Craft foods. What, what they sell? Cooking, snacks, chocolates, power, violins in mid-hit segments. How did they sell? Toward distribution in supermarkets, convenience store, and grocery. What did they say? Presence in many cities of Peru with focus socioeconomic sector B and C.
Good morning, teacher. My name is Ana Maria Grandes Melgarejo. Today I will present a brief SWOT analysis. First, the strengths. The company has a strong market leadership with high shares in oils, soaps, and flour. It has a wide portfolio of more than 150 brands. Its distribution network is solid, reaching over 25,000 points of sale. The company has more than 65 years of experience in the Peruvian market. It also operates in 7 Latin American countries. And finally, it owns well known brands such as Inca Cola, Primor, Bolivar, and Nicolini. Now, the weakness. The company depends on imported inputs, making it vulnerable to exchange rate changes. It also faces volatility in raw material prices. Expansion requires high investments and external financing. Its presence is still limited in some international markets, and some products categories have low consumers' loyalty due to strong competition. Now I will continue with the opportunities and threats. Opportunities. There is economic growth and an expanding middle class in Latin America. Customers are seeking healthier and more organic products. E commerce continues to grow and open new sales channels. The boom of Peruvian gastronomy increases demand for food inputs. Free trade agreements offer new sports opportunities, and there are emerging markets available in the region. Threats. The company faces strong competition from international corporations. Political instability in Peru creates uncertainty. Inflation reduces customers' purchasing power. Low cost substitutes and private labels compete directly. Currency fluctuations increase import costs, and climate change affects agricultural raw materials. Next, I will present the PETS analysis starting with political and economic factors. Political, legal factors. There are strict food safety regulations from DIGESA and MINSA. Political instability affects business decisions and long term planning. Tax reforms often change the corporate tax environment. Free trade agreements create opportunities for exports, and social protests sometimes block roads and affect distribution. Economic factors. Inflation has increased production cost. The depreciation of the Peruvian sol raises the cost of imported inputs. Economic recovery has stimulated consumption. Raw material prices are highly volatile, and the growing middle class strengthens the demands for food products. Finally, I will explain the social and technological factors of the PETS analysis. Social culture factors. There is a higher demand for natural, healthy, and organic products. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious and prefer sustainable brands. Urbanization increases the demand for packaged and ready to consume goods, and aging population requires more specialist food and products. And many consumers prefer traditional Peruvian brands. Technological factors. Companies are investing more in automation to improve efficiency. E-commerce platforms continue to expand. There is ongoing research and development for fortive and functional products. Blockchain improves traceability across the supply chain, and artificial intelligence helps optimize logistics and forecasting.
Hi, my name is Felipe Ojeda Gallegos. Point seven, port five force. Point one, rivalry unknown, existing competitors, highly competitive market with presence of multinationals like Nestle, Unilever, PIG, price wars in commodities categories, flours and oils. Constant investing is advertising and promotions. Alicorp maintains leadership but face constant pressures. Point two, threat of new entrance medium. High entry barriers require significant investment in infrastructure and distribution economics of scale. Alicorp has an investigation through production volume. Brand loyalty. Peruvian consumers have preference for traditional brands. Regulation, sanitary and quality. Regulation, high entry. Point three. Bargaining power of suppliers medium high. Imports depends with vegetables, oils, chemicals come from abroad. Superior concentration for suppliers of key raw materials, price volatility, fluctuations, international price. Alcor mitigates through long-term contracts and supplier diversification. Point four, braining, bargaining power of customers medium. Traditional channel, small corners, store have low individual bargaining power. Supermarkets, large chains like Wong, Plaza Vea have greater bargaining power. Price sensitivity, consumers seek value of money. Private labels, supermarkets develop white label brands as alternative. Point 5. Trade of substitute products medium high. Private labels, generic supermarket products at lower price. Imports products from Ecuador, Colombia, China compete one price. Artisanal products in subcategories. Bakery, natural shops. Habit chains trying to cook less greater demand for delivery. 8. Marketing mix 4 piece. Products. Variety Mart and 150 brands in 4 business lines. Quality products with ISO HAP certifications. Design attractive and functional packing. Brands Primor, Bolívar, Nicolini, Sapolio, Victoria, Manti, and Opal. Innovation, constant launch of new products, fortified cookies, and ecological detergents. Price, competitive pricing strategy meet positioning, format accessibility, discounts, frequent promotion in modern channel, credit conditions facilitated for well sales distributors, segmentations, premium lanes, premium and economic seal in Patito. Place. Institute distribution coverage of more than direct point of sale channels, traditional current state, modern supermarket, institutional, logistics, production plant and distribution centers in Peru and the region, e-commerce, sales, trucks, digital platforms and delivery apps. Promotions. Mass and diversity in TV, radio, digital companies, digital marketing, active presence on social networks, sales promotions, constant discounts, free products, public relations, sponsorship of cultural and sports events, personal selling, direct sales force for traditional channel.
Tonight, I am Omar Montesa, and tonight I'm going to talk about competitive strategies. Alicor applies a hybrid strategy of cost leadership and differentiation. Cost leadership, economies of scale, volume production, reduce unit costs, operation efficiency, automation and process optimization, vertical integration, control of part of supply chain, supplier negotiation, purchasing power for better prices, differentiations, product innovation, constant development of fortified and specialized products, recognized brands, brands equity in products like Inca Cola, partnership, Primor, superior quality, international certifications, and consumer experience, products that generate emotional connection. According to Porter's model, Alicorp seeks to be a leader in the markets where it competes through competitive prices without sacrificing quality, differentiate products that generate loyalty, wide distribution that guarantees availability. Things, human resources strategies, competence-based management. Competence-based management model at organization level, internal talent development through career plans, performance evaluation based on results, and corporate values. Training and development, technical and leadership training programs, Alicorp Corporate University, international internship and rotation. Work environment, recognized for 11 consecutive years in medical talent ranking. Organizational culture based on 10 corporate values wellness program for employees and families. Then we have compensations and benefits, competitive remuneration according to market performance and productive bonuses, additional benefits like medical insurances, lactation room, useful vacations. 11 is operation strategies. Market penetration, intensification of presence in traditional channels, increasing direct points of sale, aggressive promotional campaigns, product development, investment in R&D for innovative products, launch of healthy international lines, adaptation of products to market trends, supply chain improvement, optimization of logistics and distribution, implementation of technology for traceability, reduction of delivery times, efficient inventory management. Then we have the operational efficiencies, automation of production plants, waste reduction, and manufacturing, operational cost control, environmental sustainability process. And finally, we have the conclusions, for example, that consolidated leadership. Alicor is an undisputed leader in the proven mass consumption market with shares exceeding 50% in key categories. Effective competitive strategy, the combination of cost leadership and differentiation allows it to compete on both price and at value. Comprehensive management, Alicor implements advanced practice in talent management, operations, and marketing that support its competitive position. Sustainability as the differentiator. Its green strategy and environmental commitment strength is its brand imagine and generate competitive advantage. And that's all. Thank you so much.